Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ahlul Quran, I hope and pray that you are in the best state of health and increasing state of Iman. Ameen. Inshallah, today we'll learn ayah number 7 of Surah Rahman. وَالسَّمَاءَ رَفَعَهَا وَوَضَعَ الْمِيزَانَ. وَالسَّمَاءَ. Waw is connected to the letter Sin. Hamzatul Wasl and Lam Shamsiyah is not pronounced. وَالسَّمَاءَ. Meme is stretched for 4 haraka due to mad al-wajib al-muttasil. This mad is due to Hamza. Whenever huruf al-mad is followed by Hamza which is attached to the same word is called as mad al-wajib muttasil, which should be stretched for 4 counts. So now we are stretching meme for 4 haraka. وَالسَّمَاءَ رَفَعَهَا. Ra with fatha is pronounced heavily. رَفَعَهَا. Ain should be clear. It should not sound like Hamza. It should not sound a. It should sound a. رَفَعَهَا. Ha is stretched for 2 haraka due to mad at-tabi'i. رَفَعَهَا وَوَضَعَ. Letter Dod is a heavy letter. Pronounce it heavily. وَوَضَعَ. Again the letter Ain here should not sound like letter a. It is not وَوَضَعَ. It is وَوَضَعَ. Pronounced using middle part of our throat. وَوَضَعَ. Ain is connected to the letter Lam of word al-Mizan. Hamzatul Wasl of al-Mizan is not pronounced. وَوَضَعَ الْمِيزَانَ. Meme stretched for 2 haraka due to mad tabi'i. Mizan. Letter Za is stretched either for 2 or 4 or 6 count due to mad al-arid li-sukun while stopping at this ayah. وَالسَّمَاءَ رَفَعَهَا وَوَضَعَ الْمِيزَانَ. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.